Due to increased supply chain reshoring, China's exports to the US have dropped for 10 consecutive months. This trend is expected to continue in the future. South China Morning Post reported that the US was China's top export market last year. However, it was the third in the first 5 months of this year, behind the European Union and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. According to a report from Everbright Securities in March, with the supply chain relocation trend intensifying, China's exports to the US could continue falling in the short term. China can offset losses in industries it dominates, such as textiles, by diverting shipments to intermediaries in Southeast Asian countries and setting up operations near Monterrey, Mexico, and other close-to-the-border cities, according to figures from the Office of Textiles and Apparel under the U.S. Department of Commerce. In the first 4 months of this year, 20.9% of textiles and apparel that the U.S. imported were from China, down about 4 percentage points from 2022, and almost half of the total seen a decade ago. But for industries in which the US and Europe dominate key technologies, such as some electrical and mechanical products, the American reshoring efforts will have persistent implications for the overall export sector in China. The Chinese share also fell to 26% in the first 4 months of the year, from 30.3% in 2022 for mechanical and electrical equipment and machinery, which make up more than 40% of all Chinese exports to the US. The report said, in the short term, the contribution of exports to the economy has weakened, and economic recovery should mainly focus on the recovery of investment and consumption related to domestic demand. It added, in the medium and long term, high-tech products should be the key to maintaining China's export advantage. Kearney, a Chicago-based management consulting firm, said, however, no single country can fully fill the void left by China. A variety of low-cost Asia-Pacific countries, such as Vietnam, Cambodia and India, and Mexico, can benefit from the shift.